Hello students, last time we have seen the types of journal bearing, and then we have seen about the lubrications in detail, means different types of lubrications, then requirement of good lubrication, then the properties of lubrication. So all the things we have seen, and today we are going to discuss a Petrov's equation for hydrodynamic journal bearing. So it was first explained by the Petrovs in 1883. Okay, there are few assumptions for the Petrovs equation. So that Petrovs made assumption that the shaft is concentric to the bearing, means you can see here this is a bearing and this is a shaft, so it is like concentric. Okay, then eccentricity between the bearing and journal, so there is always some eccentricities over here. Last time I have shown a figure. Okay, and this assumptions is fairly accurate if the load is light, the speed of rotation is high, then projected area of the bearing is large, and viscosity of lubricant is high. Okay, so here W is the radial load on the journal. Okay, so here you can see the W is the radial load on the journal. Then NS, that is the journal speed, revolution per second. Then R is the journal radius. Then small capital R is the bearing radius. So here this is journal and this is bearing. Okay, so bearing radius. Then L is the bearing length. This is L. Okay, then mu is the absolute viscosity, Newton into second per mm square. C is the radial clearance between journal and bearing. Okay, so C is equal to capital R minus small r, and P, that is the bearing pressure, which is load upon area, so area is 2RL. Okay, now U is the surface velocity of journal mm per second, that is 2 pi r ns. U is the surface velocity of journal. Now A is the surface area of journal. This one is the surface area of journal. It means 2 pi r into L. Okay, then F is the coefficient of friction. So first of all, we know this equation, Newton's equation of viscosity, that is mu A du by dy. So mu A U upon C. Okay, dy, that is C, radial clearance, and du, that is the velocity, U, surface velocity. So we put the value of U, then A, that is 2 pi r L, and U, that is 2 pi r ns, and upon C. Then we have frictional torque Tf is equal to force into radius of journal. So here force, that is we have to put all these things to here. So mu 2 pi r L and 2 pi r ns upon C into R. So finally we got this equation 4 pi square r cube mu into L ns upon C. Okay, now frictional torque acting on the journal is given by, so frictional torque Tf is equal to F WR. So F, that is the coefficient of friction. Okay, so frictional torque in clutch we have seen mu WR, right? So here F WR, so F P into 2 pi R, 2 RL. Okay, because here this equations comes from here, P W is equal to P into 2 RL. So W is equal to P into 2 RL into R. So finally we got this equation for TF and this equation for frictional torque. Okay, so we have to compare this both equation now. So after comparing this both equation, we got one equation, that is coefficient of friction F. Okay, coefficient of friction F, that is 2 pi square bracket mu ns upon P into R by C. So this is called the Petrov's equation, and it contains two dimensionless parameters, that is mu ns upon P and R by C. Okay, so this is about the Petrov's equation. and it is applicable where the journal is concentric that we have discussed. This is all again the assumptions given here, and all the complete data are fully developed hydrodynamic theory based on Reynolds equation. So this meant to say कि all the data already available as per the Reynolds equation available nowadays, so Petrov equation is hardly used. Okay, so it is not used in regular purpose. Okay, so next is nomenclatures of hydrodynamic journal bearing. So let us see the nomenclatures. So here R is the radius of bearing that we know, bearing radius. Small r, that is the journal radius. Radial clearance C, that we know, capital R minus small r. Then eccentricity E, that is eccentricity means this is a journal center and this is the center of this bearing. So difference between these two, it is called the eccentricity. So this distance is called the eccentricity. This is a center for journal and this is a center for bearing. Okay, so it is called the eccentricity. Now minimum oil film thickness HO, you can see here, this is the minimum oil film thickness. Okay, you can see here journal and bearing का जो यहाँ पे distance बच जाता है, minimum oil film thickness हम उसको बोल सकते हैं. Eccentricity ratio psi we can say, या तो एप्सिलॉन हम बोल सकते हैं, E upon C, तो eccentricity upon radial clearance. Okay, then minimum oil film thickness ratio H0 by C. Okay, so here you can see these are the relations. Okay, R is equal to E plus R plus H0, then C is equal to E plus H0, H0 by C is equal to 1 minus E upon C, H0 by C is equal to 1 minus E. Okay, so these are the relations of this bearing. Okay, which we can this relation we can find from this figure. Okay, by this figure we can find these relations. Okay, you just draw the figure and just try to combine all this equation together. Okay, now next is example for the whatever the equations we have seen, this is an example about that. So diameter of the bearing D is equal to 100. Okay, shaft having 100 okay, Petrov sleeve bearing consists of sleeve having a bore diameter 100.1 mm. Okay, then the length of the then the length of 100 mm. A shaft having 100 mm diameter supports a load of 4000 Newton. So here D, that is the shaft load. Okay, and D, that is the shaft diameter and load is 4000 Newton, and the shaft run at 2880 rpm. So here rpm is also given, we have to convert it into seconds, so divide by 60, 48 rps. Okay, and in the sleeve, if the frictional torque on the shaft is 10 Newton into meter, find. तो यहाँ पे frictional torque दिया हुआ है 10 Newton into meter, so we have to convert it into mm. Then we have find the clearance, radial clearance. Okay, capital R minus small r, also we can write capital D minus small d by 2. So here capital D, that is 100.1, it is a bore diameter, and here this is 100 mm, this is called the shaft diameter. Okay, now now absolute viscosity of lubricant mu, that we can find from this equation, frictional torque equation, all this value put over here, and we find the mu in centipoise. Okay, or we can say in Newton into second per mm square. Okay, now bearing pressure P is equal to W upon 2RL. So on same way यहाँ पे W दिया हुआ है, D 2R यानी कि D diameter of shaft दिया हुआ है, and L length of the shaft. ठीक है, journal हम बोल सकते हैं. So bearing pressure P we can find out, then coefficient of friction F जो है वो हम find out कर सकते हैं, TF is equal to FW into R. Then again power lost in bearing 2 pi n T upon 60. So here we have speed, then torque, frictional torque, so we can find out the power lost in bearing. So by this way, by using Petrov's equation, we can find the values. Okay, now next time we will see the regimes of hydrodynamic lubrication. So today this is enough, and thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.